That's what it is. It's a camera. And Mary just insisted we do an unboxing. Anything for the show. Okay, so here it is. I hurt my arm the other day. We don't need that. So this is what it is. It's a black box. It's a how do you pronounce that, Mary? It's SiOnyx or SiOnyx or you guess. Okay. Anyway, this came recommended because we watched Sarah's video, and I hope that many of you did watch her video that we posted on the community section and also on the forum that shows her night photography on her camcorder of a remarkable UFO. And it's remarkable because you can see the stars, you can see the trees, so you have good reference points, and you can see this light going like this and stopping and going back the other way and going like this and this and this and this. And obviously, I don't care what any of you say, our stuff in orbit can't do that. So whatever it was, this camera was able to pick it up when your cell phone couldn't and won't, because it's an infrared camera. And what's great about it being a night vision infrared camera is that it's also in color, which is why when you looked at her other videos, you could see the colors changing on some of the orbs that she has great videos of as well. So Mary started doing some research, and it turned out a lot of people are using these, even Christina Gomez and others. So this is the complete kit. And I know, $1,100 sounds like a lot of money, but for a camera that's night vision at this level, it really isn't, because the real expensive ones are about $7,000, $5,000 to $7,000. And I think the big difference is resolution. This is 1280 by 720, so it's not quite 2K, but by golly, this thing will, if you see something, and even if you don't see something, a lot of times you can't see things. They might be cloaked or invisible, but they still go off a heat signature, and this will pick it up really well. So Mary did a lot of research, and that's the camera. It's a digital zoom, so it's a click, 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 click to do the zoom. And it's also manual focus. There's no automatic focus on this, which is good, because I don't like automatic focus, especially when you're shooting things in the sky. You need to just dial it in and focus it in nice and sharp, because usually most of these are going to be close to infinity in the sky, not unless they're right over your house, and by that time it's too late. You're going up the beam with the cows. Oh, look at this. They gave us 2 batteries. So it came with 2 batteries, which are great, and evidently these batteries last for a very, very long time. This is I forget what they call it, but it gives off a light that will cast a wide beam and allow you to pick up more detail at night. Not so much, I believe, in the sky, but in the ground for reference and stuff. So this will, if you aim this while you're shooting up, you'll also pick up the trees. And why are the trees important? Because you need a reference point. There's a lot of other goodies in here. That's the battery charger, USB cord, another USB cord, and another USB cord. These are the batteries for the flashlight. These are obviously rechargeables. So this plugs in here, and that goes in there. You plug this into that, like so, and you charge the batteries. That's really nice that these are rechargeable. So if you run this down, what else do we got? We got a little screwdriver. And of course you have to figure out all this stuff goes back in. This is for this is a tripod mount that went into there. And that's for tripod. This is a lot of bang for your buck. That's of course strap for it. This is another kind of mount. This is they give you a 32 gig card, and this is the adapter for it, because this is the card that goes in the camera. It's very small, and this goes in that, so you can put it into the computer. And whatever this is. This is a lovely case too. This is another tripod mount of some kind. Very cool. I think, I hear Mary huffing and puffing over the weight of that camera. I think that's it. So what we're going to do is we're going to charge this up, and then we're going to go out in the back there, sit in those 2 gravity chairs out there, along with these. These are the Celestron ones, and these are the Bushnells, both really good for sky observing, and see what we can start catching on video right from our own backyard. Then later, of course, we're going to take that blue bus and go someplace real high up and real dark and see what we can do there too. So that was the unboxing of the SiOnyx Aurora Pro, appropriate name. And I'll say in closing, I did watch some videos where people have hooked these up to telescopes, and they were looking at the Orion Nebula. And the amazing thing about it is that the Orion Nebula is normally pink and purple and white, and you have to do a time exposure to see those colors. Because this is IR, it showed them up right away. It was incredible. So, next time we see you, we'll be showing you some video. How about that?
That's recording, okay. So, we're just sitting in the backyard here in Port Hueneme, and it's amazing. But you can just see, I mean, we cannot see this many stars here in the city where it's, you know, a lot of light pollution. I'm amazed at this. My windsock is lit up. It's barely visible with the unaided eye. I believe that's Vega down there twinkling. I don't know what that is, but that is not a meteor. So there is Sagittarius right there, and you can just see pretty much the heart of the Milky Way right there. That's amazing that you can see that. I'm following right up. Look at that. Holy moly, that's the entire Milky Way right there. Well, not the entire Milky Way, but part of it. That's beautiful. What's interesting is how slow some of these are moving. They're either at a higher orbit but you know, you could never ever get this stuff with an iPhone. There's a plane that's gonna go right by it. Here's something very red. I'm pretty sure it's a plane, but
I probably can't see it from here.
It's right over the windsock, honey. It's pulsating red. It's just red so far.
My binoculars aren't strong enough.
I mean, there should be green and anti-collision lights, and I didn't know.
I know, it's slower than a satellite.
What's it? Huh. Yeah, that's...
I can see it with my naked eye, too.
How well?
Pretty well. That's kind of dimming out.